Hello, Sammy. That's a good boy.
He's scared of me because I grab him, I catch him, and I go, catch him. Ah!
Oh, that's not nice.
Oh, I missed him. Sammy, come here.
You
Come
scared
here, I
the
kiss
poor
you.
bird.
Rat, rat, rat,
That's why he always runs away from you.
I squeeze him and kiss him. Come here, Sammy. Come here, Suri. Step up. Come here. Step up. Oh, goodness. Come here. I love you. Sammy. Oh, now you want to kiss.
Hello, Sammy.
Ah, Suri.
Bunch of tricksters.
Yeah. Hello, Sammy.
What you doing? Oh, look
Kiss
at
him.
Suri.
Kiss him.
He's running away. That's a good boy, Sammy.
Sammy, kiss him. Kiss, kiss.
That's a good boy.
Aw, kiss, kiss.
Oh, you're such a good boy, Sammy.
Do it. Sammy the Cockatiel, are you a good boy? Is Sammy a good boy? He says, I'm Sammy, I'm a good boy. Say Sammy's a good boy. Say it.
Say hello, Sammy. Do it. Do it.
Sammy's a good boy.
Sammy, you say it.
Guess he's
He's
not
tired.
a good boy.
He's tired now. That's what's going on.